Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday again. Today we're going to teach a move called the Wagon Wheel, which is fairly simple. Also at the end we're going to show you kind of a combination as well into the lasso, which we taught last week. You can do together. But first off, the Wagon Wheel. So we'll do it, as always, regular speed, and I'll slow it down and walk you guys through it. And we'll do it regular speed again, and then I'll show you the combination with the lasso. So, now, let's do it. You're gonna grab the girl and the guy, you're gonna hold each other like this, as usual. And then you're gonna go into the cuddle. So that means the girl's hand comes across her face, she spins over her left shoulder, and comes to your waist. You both connected at the hip. Then you're going to take your left hand on the girl's right arm above her head, and you're going to spin her twice. 1, 2. And the guy, you're gonna have your left hand across your chest with her right arm. And girl has a little chicken wing on the back of her arm. Show all that with your right hand. Okay. So then you can walk in a circle. And the switch comes, you're going to pull with your right hand and spin her over her left shoulder again with your left hand. So pull, spin. So you're back kind of in a regular position with your hands kind of in clampy positions. And you're gonna spin her again the other way, so you're opposite. So guys, right arm across the chest, right arm across the chest, left hand behind the back. So it's important to note too that your hand is facing, so your palm is facing the back of the girl and her palm is facing outward. So you're here, you can walk around again, and then to get out of it, guys, your right arm is just going to go over your head. You're going to spin her out. Wow, actually, you're going to spin out. So you're going to let go, step out, spin, come back to position. Simple enough. So let's do it. And do this speed again. Perfect. So that's the wagon wheel. We're gonna do it with a lasso. Instead of the exit being over my head and I spin out, we're gonna do a lasso out of it. So, start regular, to the cuddle, spin her twice, wagon wheel, and we're not going to do the second part. So, you're gonna stay in the first position. Guys, what you're gonna do, you're gonna let go with your left hand, let go with your right hand, slide arms together so you're grabbing wrists. Okay? Just like, and then the lasso like we taught you guys last week. So you're going to spin the girl over her left shoulder, down, and pause right here. This is the important part. You don't necessarily have to go down, but as long as you lean out and you pause, you know that's kind of the signal. This is we're doing the lasso. You lean out, pause, guys, go under your arms, spin the girl, behind your head. Push her out. And we're back to position. Okay, we'll do it full speed. There you go.